In this video, I'm going to show you how to report ads on Facebook Mobile. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and open your Facebook account. Once you do so, you will have to look on your stories, keep scrolling until you find basically the ad that's annoying you. So as an example, yeah, here is it, sponsored. So this video is sponsored and it is very annoying, or you don't like it, you don't want to see it again, you want to report it. So instead of clicking on X, you'll have to click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you'll find here interested, not interested, and if you keep scrolling down, you'll find this report ad. So tell us about a problem with this ad. You can go and click on it and start personalizing depending why do you want to report it. So is this a scam, fraud, or personates, as an example, unauthorized political ad, adult content, stealing or promoting restricted items, violence, hate, or exploitations, bullying or unwanted content, intellectual property, suicidal self-harm, false information, or problems involving someone under 18. So it's totally up to you to choose whatever you want. For my example, I'm just going to choose one. I'm just going to choose spam, click on done, and I should be good to go. As you can see, we won't show you this ad again. You successfully reported the ad. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.